Now you want to get a British accent, but you don't know where to get started. I'm going to show you how to get a British accent, how to learn it, and of course, what are the secret tips that will help you to learn even faster. So if you want a British accent, but you are starting from zero, no British friends, no UK background, and even no idea where to begin, where to get started, here's the truth. You can get a clean, natural British accent from scratch even if you've never been to the UK. Today I will show you exactly how to do it, how to fake it, and of course how to learn it. You will learn the core 3 British sounds that you need to know first, how to train your brain and your mouth and your ears to the British accent, and of course the daily routine that will build you your accent from zero. If you're ready to transform your British accent from now, stay tuned because in today's video I'll reveal these secret tips. Of course, now first of all, the 3 core British sounds that you must learn is that you need to forget trying to change your whole accent at once. It's starting with these 3 powerful core sounds. They will make you sound even more British immediately. Sound number 1, which I would say you need to practice your letter T. I would say American often omit the letter T. British speakers use the clean, sharp T. For example, your words might be better. British tend to say better. American tend to say better. Water, waddle. You've seen I've completely pronounced the letter T quite differently. Water, better, little. This is the one sound that instantly gives you a British feel, the British sound. However, you need to drop your letter R. A letter R is very important in British English. It's about 70%. In most British accents, the letter R at the end of a word is not pronounced. However, we have in words like car, far, tall, even a lot of words out there. Only the letter R if you sound more British. This makes you sound instantly British. And the O sounds in words like, of course, hot, job, stop, a lot. Round your lips slightly and then the sound is very British. You need to train your mouth, ears, and in the way that British English sounds. If you want a British accent from scratch, you need to train your ears, shadowing of course, copy native English speakers exactly, and pick one accent at a time. Let's say I highly recommend to start with a modified version of receipt pronunciation and then try to find a person who speaks with this accent. Let's say I will give you some examples. BBC presenters, you've got Emma Watson, and you've got Britain Got Talent. Pause and repeat. I will it will help you to sound a little bit more British when you shadow them. This is how actors learn accents very fast. And you need to train your mouth and you need to exaggeration first. And exaggerate is accent on purpose. Let's say, for example, water, they say water. Exaggerate it. Can I ask you something? You can say, can I ask you something? It will feel silly, but it's how your mouth and your new positions later on, you can make it to even be more natural. Train your voice daily, recordings as well, because recording 15 to 30 seconds of you speaking in your British accent, even if it's not perfect, compare it with a native English speaker, fix the thing that at a time, you will improve fast, I promise. However, the daily British accent routine, here's how it works. If you want a British accent from scratch, do this every single day to get a British accent. First tip, you need to choose a clip, and after that, copy every word you hear in that clip. Just imitate it. Don't translate it, just imitate it. And the second tip, That would be 2 minutes of your mouth training, and then practice the exaggerated sounds. R, and T sounds. Hot, bath, water. Repeat it slowly. This will help you to sound more British, I promise, replacing your vocabulary with British words. Say this instead of American vocabulary. American tend to say vacation, holiday, British, apartment, flat, line, hue. Okay, if you say friend, you can say mate. You're right, mate, because accent is very important and vocabulary as well, even if you want to sound authentic. I would highly suggest you have to consume only British English. Switch your world to the UK English, YouTube British creators, Netflix British shows, even your phone, for example. That will help you to sound more British. It will help you to sound even more British. You will improve your accent automatically by listening to people from day-to-day life. How to speak out loud, 1 minute every single day. Choose a topic and then speak in your British accent without stopping. Don't aim for perfection, aim for fluency, because perfection is nothing. Perfection is just stopping people to get started, stopping people to make progress. And getting a British accent from scratch is 100% possible if you put a lot of work, and it's much faster than you think. You don't need to even move to UK to grow up to Britain, or even to take expensive classes. You just need the right sounds, smart imitation, simple routine, daily listening, and confidence to exaggerate at first. That's it. Simple. And this is literally the one thing that will help you to sound more British and to get a British accent from scratch very fast. If you like what you saw today, you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button and also click the bell for more regular pronunciation tips, and of course for tips to help you speak with confidence. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.